In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send photos in Google Drive link in mobile. By the end, you will know how to upload your photos to Google Drive from your phone. Make sure people can actually view them, and then copy a shareable link you can paste into any messaging app. Keep your internet connection steady while you do this so uploads finish smoothly. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your phone. Look at the bottom right and tap the plus icon on the menu that appears. Choose Upload. On iPhone, tap Photos and Videos to open your photo library. On Android, you may see Browse. Tap that, then pick your photos. Select the images you want to send. You can select more than one at a time. After you confirm, Drive will begin uploading. Stay on the app and give it a moment. Larger batches and high-resolution photos take longer. You'll know the upload is done when you no longer see a progress indicator and the items appear in your drive. Next, adjust access permissions so others can view what you uploaded. By default, items are restricted, which means only you can open them. To change that, find the photo you uploaded, or the folder that contains the photos if you uploaded several together. Tap the three vertical dots next to it, then tap Share. Scroll to the bottom of the sharing panel to the General Access section and tap Change. Switch it from restricted to anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who receives your link to open and view the photos without needing a request. Share only what you are comfortable with, because anyone who has the link can view it. Now copy and send your link. While you are still on the sharing screen, tap the link icon or the copy link option. You'll see a confirmation that the link is copied to your clipboard. Open the app where you want to send it. This could be a text message, WhatsApp, email, or any chat. Tap the message box, press and hold, then choose Paste. Add a short note if you want and send. The recipient can tap the link and view the photos right away. If someone tells you they can't open it, return to the item's share settings and confirm. It's set to anyone with the link. That's it. Thanks for watching.